Welcome to another episode of A Car Ride with an Insurance Guy. Just got done with lunch. I had a board meeting with the Chamber of Commerce, actually just right back there. If you're from here, guess where I am. Put it down there. That would be in the comments section. When I pointed down there, the comments section, you should put it there. Just to clarify. Anyway, I'm on my way to go drop my ballots. That's right, I get two. I don't really get two. One's my wife's. But I'm going to go drop them off because it's the day of the election. Gotta go vote for my buddy Rob Toyer, running for state rep. He's a great guy. Fortunately, I couldn't get him on the show or in my car prior to the election, but maybe we'll get him in here afterwards and kind of interview him. So anyway, hey, I heard again this morning from another client I was working with right before the board meeting, and was on the phone. She's got a bunch of tickets, and she was mentioning her friend who only pays $20, $30, $40 a month. And so I wanted to address that real quick because I hear it all the time, almost daily. I hear someone quoting what their friend or their neighbor or their coworker pays, and they think that that means they should get that price. So a couple things that you should know. One, coverage, price is based off of the coverages you select, right? So if you select very little coverage or no coverage or zero coverage on certain things, rejecting them entirely, guess what? You're gonna pay less. It's magical. And so when you hear your friends doing that, that's one thing to consider is if they can't quote you their coverage and you don't remember it, or neither of you know enough to know what those numbers even mean, you just need to be aware of that, and you need to understand that just because they pay less doesn't mean that it's the same policy you have. So here's something else to consider. I get this one at least weekly, is I'll get a phone call and we'll be $120 a month, and an online company or whatever, another company is $110 a month, but they require $200 down payment to get it started. Well, all you're doing is you're buying a lower monthly price. That's it. If you did the math in that, there's a certain premium due within the 6 months of the auto policy, and you can choose to pay that up front in a down payment and then divide the rest of the remaining premium by 5, and yeah, you're going to have a smaller monthly payment. It doesn't mean that the cost is less. So a lot of people make the mistake of comparing monthly payments and not comparing the 6-month premium. So American Family at my office here in Lake Stevens, we don't require any down payment other than your first month. And it's the first month that's actually required to begin coverage. So anyway, that's it. Just start paying your bill, and you're good to go on our end anyway. So anyway, 2 things that you need to know when you hear your friends say, but my insurance is cheaper, call them. Guys, it's not all about price. Coverages make all the difference in the world, and don't get suckered by the down payment thing. It's kind of just a little marketing trick. You know, if you can get someone to make a down payment and then fall in love with that monthly price, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's any cheaper. You could do that with anything. Guess what? If I was going to buy a house, the bigger down payment I make means the smaller my monthly payment is, right? Same concept on a car. If I go put $20,000 down on a new truck and I only finance half of it, guess what? My payments are smaller. So anyway, consider that. Insurance is the same way. Big down payments equal low monthly payments. That doesn't mean that the cost is less than what it might be with us. We don't play any games. We can if you want. Call me if you have any questions, but like, share, subscribe, and there's a cop passing us. I promise that if I ever get pulled over doing this show, I will put it on the YouTube channel. So anyway, I know a few cops out there. I got a few cop clients, so don't pull me over just to hold me to that. Anyway, like us, subscribe us, follow us, share us if this information is helpful. I'm trying to share the little known secrets that people just don't know about when it comes to insurance, things that will help them shop even if they don't come to me as a client. So I hope that you do. Give us a shot. We'll take care of you. Visit our website at Aaron Boren, agency.com for more information and get in contact with us anywhere in the state of Washington. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much.